Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where modern setup host has stopped working, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the first solution is disk cleanup. A clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The next solution is to perform disk cleanup on your computer. Search for disk cleanup and then click on disk cleanup, click on OK, and then check all of these boxes here, each and every one of them. Click on OK and then click on delete files. And lastly, reset Windows Update component. So you don't need to do much about it. I have a script here. Simply copy it. It's in the description section of the video. Then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator, paste it here and hit enter. And you will need a few seconds till it fixes the problem. Once all the services have started, your problem will be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.